I want something visionary for the families.
Hi, my name is John. Recently, my wife and I purchased some vacant land here in Mount Washington and had a vision to build a house for our family. So one of the challenges was the land that we bought. But Cielo came through with a multi-level building design that really maximized our outdoor living space. We trusted Cielo with this project and we couldn't be happier with the result. We'd recommend them to anybody.
I choose to make every second matter, to capture every moment. The Osmo Mobile takes the shake away from my video, so I never have to worry about losing a memory. All I need to do is snap in my phone. I share rare moments live to inspire friends back home. When making new friends, I want to be in the scene. The Osmo Mobile automatically tracks me, so I never miss a moment. Creating motion time lapses has never been so easy. I can shoot a perfect panorama. There's a great quote: "We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us."
All right, guys, let's go.